Hey food lovers, welcome to Recipe Fevers another vlog. I know everyone who came to see this video loves baby corn just like me. So guys, I'm gonna make an easy and delicious restaurant style Chinese starter baby corn Manchurian. You can thank me later guys because when you make this recipe at home, you will be appreciated by everyone. So do watch the video fully to know the tips and tricks. Let's get started. The very first step in making the baby corn Manchurian is blanching the baby corns. That means we have to half cook the baby corns. This is the important step guys, so never miss this. For that, I'm heating a non-stick pan and adding 2 cups of water and 1 teaspoon of salt to it. Now, let's mix this and allow the water to boil. To the boiling water, I'm gonna add 300 grams of baby corns which I have cut into 2-inch long slices. After adding the baby corns, what I'm gonna do is to reduce the flame to low and cook it exactly for 3 minutes and switch off the stove. So here goes my tip number 1, that is not to cook the baby corns for more than 3 minutes because it will break easily and you won't be able to coat the batter and fry the baby corns perfectly. So I'm gonna switch off the stove after 3 minutes and take the baby corns from the hot water and transfer it to a plate. Next, I'm going to add these baby corns to a large mixing bowl and add 4 tablespoon all-purpose flour of maida, 3 tablespoon corn flour, half teaspoon ginger garlic paste and 1 teaspoon of vinegar. Suppose if you don't have vinegar at home, don't worry guys because you can add the juice of half lemon instead of it. Next, I will add the most important ingredient for this recipe, that is the soya sauce. I will add about 1 teaspoon of dark soya sauce. If you are using light soya sauce, you can add about 1.5 teaspoon of it. Lastly, to spice it up, let's add 1 teaspoon pepper powder and half teaspoon of salt. Next, I'm gonna sprinkle some water to it and mix everything well. Here is the tip number 2. That is, not to add too much water at a time because it will become runny and you will end up adding more flour to adjust the consistency of the batter, which will ruin the shape of the baby corns. Oh no, you don't want that to happen, right? So add little water at a time like I do and make a thick batter such that it should hold the baby corn pieces well and also it should retain its shape. While you're enjoying this video, please click that subscribe button if you haven't subscribed yet and also hit the like to show some love. Now let's fry the baby corns. For that, I have kept a kadai for heating with enough oil for frying the baby corns. To the hot oil, I will add the baby corn pieces one by one. After adding them, guys, please make sure to reduce the gas flame to a medium, else it will get burnt easily. Let's fry it until they reach a light golden brown color. Now you can see that they are done. So I will take it from the oil and fry the remaining batches of baby corns. Here is my trick to make the baby corns more crunchy and crispy. That is, I will add these fried baby corns in 2 batches to the hot oil and I will be frying these for just 30 seconds on a high flame and take it immediately from the oil. Similarly, I will fry the other batch as well. This method of frying is known as flash frying. Now we have the crispy and crunchy baby corns. This itself is a great snack, but let's make it more yummy. I have kept a non-stick pan for heating and to that I will add 2 tablespoons of oil which we use to fry the baby corns. To the hot oil, I will add 2 teaspoons of chopped ginger, 3 teaspoons chopped garlic and 2 chopped green chilies. Let's saute these for 2 minutes on a medium flame. Now I will add 1 onion and 1 capsicum that are sliced and saute them for a minute. Guys, adding capsicum gives the significant flavor to the Manchurian, so never miss it. Then let's add 1 teaspoon of sugar and half teaspoon of salt and saute everything for 5 minutes on a medium flame. To this, I will now add 2 tablespoon tomato sauce, half tablespoon dark soy sauce and 1 teaspoon of pepper powder and saute them for 2 minutes. Well, you can add 1 tablespoon of light soy sauce instead of the dark ones. Next, I will add 3/4 cup of water, and to thicken the sauce, here is the third most important tip. That is to make a corn flour slurry with 2 tablespoons of corn flour and 3 tablespoons of water. Let's mix this well without any lumps and add it on a low flame. Stir it immediately, and within few minutes you can see that our Manchurian sauce has thickened well and is glazing. Here comes the moment of adding the crispy and crunchy fried baby corn pieces. Let's mix it well and finish it up with few chopped spring onion greens and half teaspoon vinegar or lemon juice to give it a tangy flavor. Let's mix everything once and switch off the stove. The very delicious restaurant-style baby corn Manchurian is ready to be served. It looks so yummy, isn't it? Do try this recipe and enjoy it with your loved ones. Also, please let me know in the comment box which part or tips was your favorite. Thank you for watching my video. Have a nice day.